At GreenTech Global, we ensure that our cleaning and disinfection solution is safe, simple and sustainable to use. There is no requirement to mix or dilute our solution. It is ready to use and guaranteed to remove 99.9% of all bacteria and viruses, whilst remaining non-corrosive, non-toxic and safe to handle. The active ingredient is less than 0.02% of a chlorine compound called hypochlorous acid, or HOCl. Hypochlorous acid is a naturally occurring disinfectant that is used by specialized white blood cells in our bodies to kill and break down pathogens. In this video, we will cover how our HOCl solution is able to remain such an effective disinfectant at a safe concentration. Chlorine has been used as the basis for water treatment and disinfection for many years, mainly due to its effectiveness and that chlorine can be found in abundance all over the world. The main source being in our oceans in the form of sodium chloride, better known as salt. Out of all the known chlorine-based disinfectants, none come close to the efficiency of HOCl, as they are significantly less effective when used in low doses. In this presentation, we will focus particularly on sodium hypochlorite, the common active component found in bleach. Despite appearing similar, HOCl has been proven to be 80 to 100 times more effective than bleach when used at low concentrations. But how is this possible when there is only the difference of one element that separates them? All bacteria and many viruses are protected by a negatively charged membrane, so therefore in a similar fashion to magnets, the negatively charged hypochlorite ion is repelled away from the microbes and is not able to pass through the membrane layer. However, HOCl is a relatively small molecule with no overall charge, so it is therefore able to easily diffuse straight through the cell membrane and directly into the center of the pathogen. Once inside, HOCl disrupts vital processes within the microbes, such as breaking down nucleic acids and halting protein production, killing them with a small but highly effective dose. So, if the other chlorine products can't penetrate the membrane, how do they still destroy pathogens? Instead of bypassing these defenses like HOCl, other chlorine disinfectants have to break through them in a much more forceful manner. The common way to do this is by raising the pH of the solution to about pH 13. This can be done by adding sodium to a water-based solution, hence why sodium hypochlorite is the common ingredient in traditional bleach. The high pH causes the pathogen membranes to lose their structure, allowing the hypochlorite ions to pass into the center and kill the pathogens. However, this process requires a much higher concentration as it has to overpower and control the entire surrounding environment, instead of passively diffusing straight into the cell like HOCl can. But how do we guarantee our solution is HOCl and not hypochlorite ions? For the production of HOCl, the only requirements are salt water and a small electric current, no more than what is needed for a typical household appliance. To stabilize the free chlorine in the form of HOCl, we ensure our solution is produced at a pH of approximately 5.5. As shown on this graph, at 5.5, almost 100% of free chlorine in our solution is found in the form of HOCl, ensuring our solution remains as efficacious and efficient as possible. It is all these factors that give GreenTech's solution its remarkable properties. It is harmless to animals, plants and people alike, leaving behind no harmful residues that could cause long-lasting effects on the surrounding environment. It doesn't need to be diluted or altered in any way before use, and no PPE or hazardous training is required to use it. Its production has a negligible CO2 footprint and is packaged in a bag and box with a refillable spray bottle, minimizing plastic usage and ensuring all waste is 100% recyclable. And finally, it is certified to kill at least 99.99% of all bacteria, viruses, spores and yeasts, ensuring our customers have guaranteed protection. And finally, it is certified to kill at least 99.99% of all bacteria, viruses, spores and yeasts, ensuring our customers have guaranteed protection and full confidence in our genius solution. Thank you for watching.